Meaning of House of Commons.
House of Commons.
House of Commons.
House of Commons.
House of Commons. The House of Commons is the lower house of the Parliament of the United Kingdom. It is composed of elected members of Parliament, MPs, who represent constituencies across the country. The role of the House of Commons is to scrutinize and hold the government accountable, debate and pass legislation, and represent the interests of their constituents. The House of Commons meets in the Palace of Westminster in London. Its origins can be traced back to the 14th century, making it one of the oldest parliamentary bodies in the world.